We have a really special recipe for you. We're here with Vinny at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and he's gonna show us something so cool.
Today we're doing fried lobster tails. I'm gonna show you how to butterfly a lobster tail. You cut right here, cut, cut, cut. See that? You're gonna crack it open. You pull the tail out like this. The whole time my thumb is doing work. You can't see it. My thumb is holding it in place. You pull this out. You don't want to remove it completely. You squeeze the shell back, and the tail sits right on top. Look at that.
Amazing.
All right, you saw it right here on what's cooking. We have the fry mix here. This is not like a traditional egg wash kind of batter we're doing here. It's a dusting. Now look, I'm gonna go in this way, and it's gonna flip over. Cameraman, watch. And you're gonna do that for like 5 minutes. Wouldn't be right if you didn't season it right when it comes out of the oil. So we got these awesome chip-shaped fries, fresh lemon. You gotta have tartar sauce. You gotta have coleslaw. That's a fish fry basket right there.
Yeah, you gotta try this. You wanna impress everyone and be cool, do it. Head to our website, lilystolzberg.com. The recipe is there. I mean, really, no one else.
My pleasure as always.